Do you want to learn how to torch body fat, build lean muscle mass, and perform at your highest potential without counting calories? We get it. You don't have enough time to measure your food. You're overwhelmed with the thought of meticulously counting every single calorie you consume. You don't want a diet that takes away more of your time. You want something to fit into your busy schedule. And more than that, you want something that produces results. You're a performance-driven person. You're a go-getter. Motivation isn't your issue. Finding a solution that is right for you is. The great news is, there's a way to get to your fitness goals without meticulously counting every single calorie you consume. In fact, studies have already been published in the Journal of Exercise and Medicine as well as by Harvard, proving you do not need to count every single calorie to reach your fitness goals. But hey, don't just take our word for it or the studies that have already been done. Take the real-life individuals whose lives are being changed right here and now. Click the link below, find out what our real-life clients are saying about our program, and learn exactly how to torch body fat, build lean muscle mass, and achieve peak performance without counting your calories. Click below.